I can finally start this video. Hi guys, today I'm here in my kitchen showing you some new products that I purchased for my Nutribullet system, or should I say blender. These products are from Home Note by way of Amazon. I needed some new parts, mainly a new blade for my Nutribullet. The other one, it was, you know, old, damaged. I've had this Nutribullet system for years. Like literally when they first came out, they were only selling them on TV pretty much. So we had them for a while, and my mom actually got a really good deal on them. She got them buy one get one free. So she has one, and then she gifted me one. So bless her heart. Thank you, Mom. So this box actually came with, like I showed, a blade. So a brand new blade, some new lip rings. We have a new cup. Great. A new lid. What else in here? This stuff. Oh, just needed that. Got some lids. It's cool. Good stuff here. So very much what I'm gonna be showing today is just how I prep for my how I prep for my smoothies. That's why I have these sandwich bags out. Usually in the morning I would like to drink like one of these size smoothies. That's the goal. Now real goals would be to drink all of this. What's this in here? Oh, spare parts. Cool. You can give me some spare parts. This is to replace like the spin wheel in here. I'm not gonna show it because it's dirty. But thank you. And a free 18-month warranty. It's real good. So yeah, got all this good stuff. So let's get down with the get down. Oh, wait. Technically I don't need this yet, so we're just gonna play pretend like we're actually using it. No, we're not. Just stick that off to the back. Because now it's smoothie time. So let's get our smoothies out. I don't know how long this camera battery is gonna last, so if I'm rushing, seem like I'm rushing, my bad. Can't help it. I have here some fruit, frozen fruit, and of course some spinach. Normally I would put bananas in this too, and I have bananas. I do have some bananas, but I'm not going to put them in. I like to just eat my bananas whole. They actually make me feel fuller that way. And I don't necessarily need them for taste in my smoothies. So, first things first, let's move some more things back and out of the way. We got our sandwich bags here. So let's just get right into it. There's no measurements here. No method to the madness, really. Just a nice little handful, a pinch full of this. Because mind you, we're filling this size cup, so we don't need a lot. So we got this. Grab a handful of fruit. Yeah, I'm dropping. There we have it. First smoothie prep bag. One and done, right? Let's just keep it going. So it's really not that serious. This is just, again, an alternative to a breakfast, a full meal for breakfast, I should say. It's just an alternative. It's mainly for the nutrients in the spinach. The easy way to get the spinach down, which we all could use, I'm sure. I think my hands start getting wet. If I had some almonds, or chia seeds, flax seeds, I would add that in too, or maybe even like, what do they call that stuff? Like, I guess protein shake or some type of, you know, I don't know what they call it. But I would add that in, but of course I don't have that. We're just doing the basics here. And I like to prep these just to make it a little bit easier to eat healthy. I already have it prepped. I don't have to worry about the hassle of trying to do this in the morning. I'll just take the bag right out the freezer and pop it right on in. I'm not sure how many bags I'm gonna get out of this. This is a whole bag of spinach. And this is like a bag and a half of fruit. So yeah, good stuff here. And again, there's no method or measuring. It's all about just what I grab, how I feel. I don't really care what fruit gets in and what doesn't. To be honest, it's all gonna taste the same. At least to me it does. Yeah. This bag like stiff. Trying to poke a hole in these bags with my nails. Out of spinach. Let's take this last little bit. Also load up this last bit of fruit right into this bag. So we have that. And now I also like to demonstrate how I actually use the Nutribullet system, if you all don't mind. Normally I do have a bag here that's prepped. Let's dig for it. So I have a bag here that was prepped. It was in my freezer. As you can see, spinach is frozen, fruit, all that good stuff. So we're just gonna take this. Let's just clean it out. Clean it out. Add this right on in here. I don't know if you guys can see that max line. That's usually just where the water goes and stops. It says max. It's so convenient. It really is. Now we're gonna fill it to the max line. You can see it's filled to the max line. Just a short little demonstration for you guys. Nothing too major. Make sure that's on pretty tight. We're plugged in here. Sit it right on in. Angled buttons are that way. Bring it forward a little bit. Just make sure you all can see it. A little bit more. I just want to make sure you all can see. And it really doesn't take that long. I just left it on there that long just because, no reason. And then we have a nice smooth smoothie. Let that drip. Be sure to clean it. And as you see here, try not to spill it out. Nice. Very nice. Oh, let me do that. Now we can take our rim. Uh-oh. Stick that right on there. So now we have a cup. Nice, right? Thanks for watching. Real quick, because I forgot, I have a storage container. You can tell I just took it right out of the freezer. It's still very much cold. I just wanted to show how I just store them all right here. So, nice and organized. So, right there. For the week. Nice smoothie prep.